Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to use image placeholders in Google Slides. Yeah, the full 2026 update. If you want quick layouts that stay neat and consistent, these placeholders save a lot of time. So let's jump right in. All right, first thing, open any existing slide deck or just start with a blank presentation. Image placeholders work best when you're setting up templates or reusable layouts, but you can add them to regular slides too. To add an image placeholder the right way, go into the master view. Just click view at the top, then choose theme builder. This lets you edit the underlying layout instead of just the slide on top, which is super helpful. Now pick the layout you want to modify. Then go to insert, choose placeholder, and select image. You'll see a rectangular box appear. You can resize it, move it around, whatever fits your layout. Placeholders are flexible, so yeah, feel free to adjust margins, align it with text boxes, or snap it to the grid. You can even combine multiple placeholders if your slide design uses a collage or two-image layout. Once your layout looks good, just close the theme builder. Then choose any slide, open the layout menu, and select the one you just edited. You'll see the placeholder appear automatically. And finally, to use the placeholder, just click it. Google Slides will open the upload options, like upload from your computer, Google Drive, Photos, or even a URL. Once you pick your image, Slides snaps it perfectly into the placeholder shape. No stretching, no messy resizing. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use image placeholders in Google Slides with the full 2026 tools. They're super handy for templates, school projects, business decks, basically anything. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.